Imagine your child is playing computer games for hours or watching cartoons for maybe 3 hours a day or on social media app like Instagram. It seems pretty harmless, or most parents maximum ask about how much screen time is enough. Hi, I'm Sayed Bilal. I believe that every parenting moment teaches a child to become an adult, and my mission is to help parents make those moments count. Now imagine your child watching cartoons for hours. Your neighbor's child is spending the same amount of time but is building something or creating something or learning to make a game, for example. They both are spending equal amount of time on screens, but they have totally different futures because not all screen time is equal. And when parents ask me what is the limit of screen time that they should have, I think you're fighting the wrong battle. Instead of asking how much screen time is enough, ask what is screen time teaching my kid. Watching cartoons, playing games, scrolling on social media, they all create one habit, that is consuming. Consumption of content that someone else has created. And it looks harmless, but when repeated years after years after years, it becomes a habit. And it shows in different forms. Like, for example, your child gets in homework, and the moment it gets hard, they will stop working on that. Or they'll use some other shortcut or use AI to solve that homework. And it's in simple moments as well. Like, for example, you ask your kid to set the dinner table and they say that I don't want to do it. It's not that they're lazy or incapable or unmotivated. It's just that a habit of consuming content is translated into real life. And they believe that somebody else outside of them is responsible for this. Just few months ago, my own son was waking up on weekends and the first question was, which thing should I watch? I gradually and slowly brought him back. And the future will not reward those who have a lot of facts or information, because AI can do that very well. The future will reward those who will ask very unique questions, have ability to stick to the problems and solve those problems. Using technology is fine, but our kids are growing depending on that technology. There's a huge difference in that. I've seen it in my classrooms as well. The decay in exploring ideas, wondering, asking curiously, and starting and sticking to the problem is astonishing. Now, here's a simple thing that you can do as well. When your child says, I want to watch cartoon or I want to play games, as a parent, you should notice what comes next. Do they say that I want to try this? Or they say, I'm getting bored as soon as you switch off the TV or take off the tablet? Because remember, habit is formed by these tiny moments that stuck for years. If the child builds a habit of consumption, they will even in future use AI for this purpose. They will ask AI to do the homework and believe everything what AI is going to spit out, because they don't have the habit of sticking to the problem, thinking on their own. Every moment, every hour, every swipe is teaching your child something. The question you should ask is, what is it teaching? Because one day you will not be there. The question is, what will your child do then? Subscribe and join our movement. And together, let's raise the next generation differently.